Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we will present our report on futures trading simulation. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siti Sarah Ahmad Tirmizi. I'm going to present about the Fcpo trading plan. As for the introduction, each student has been allocated up to 30 risk-free transactions to make between November 16 up until the December 31st, 2022. A student may invest Rm 100,000 in a futures contract and participate in the opportunity to make a profit. A contract between a seller and a buyer to supply gold futures is known as Fcpo crude palm oil, and it is included in the list of trading assets that are offered CPO. Trading in futures contract is far superior to trading in stocks because it helps to maximize the efficiency of the underlying market, because future contracts entirely eliminate the unexpected cost of purchasing an item. Next is list of instruments and commodity. We use Fcpo. It is a derivative contract between a buyer and a seller to take and deliver crude palm oil at a later date. It is a physically settled contract, which means that upon contract expiration, the buyer and seller must take and deliver the tangible CPO respectively. As for roles and responsibilities of group members, we utilize to use technical analysis reading to develop trading strategies for FCPO, since it aids in bridging the gap between intrinsic value and market price by using approaches such as statistical analysis and behavioral economics. Technical analysis can assist traders predict what is most likely to happen based on a prior data. Most investors base their judgment on both technical and fundamental analysis. Before making a decision, we must select the best approach to make.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Batrisha binti Shaifuddin, and I will continue the presentation starting with the factors that determine the future price for a commodity. Futures contracts on crude palm oil are based on actual CPO prices and constitute a buyer-seller agreement to take and deliver CPO at a future date. The buyer must accept the CPO upon expiration, as this is a tangible commitment. The trading platform, Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Berhad, sets FCPO prices based on market supply and demand. Well, for these factors to determine the future price for commodity, there are two factors. The first is weather and season factor. Palm oil tree planting is seasonal. From planting to harvesting, the tree may live 25 years, although the process may take 4 years. Too much rain would flood the plantations, delay harvesting, and too little water would stunt the plant growth, reducing yield. Next is the festive season factor. Holidays may increase oil demand. Chinese stock up for the Lunar New Year, Indians for Deepavali, and Pakistan, Bangladesh, and the Middle East for Eid. It is used for prayer. Demand increases the oil price.
From the overall trading performance by me, which is Siti Sarah, the trading profit or loss that I got is 39,050 profit. Return maximization is 9.7625. Return on investment is 39.05%, and trading simulation activities is 6.
I'm Asia and now I'm presenting my part. First is overall trading performance. For trading profit, I got profit for 29,625, return maximization of 7.4063, and for return on investment is 29.63%, and trading simulation activity that I do is 6.
The most profitable trade that I made is February Fcpo 2023. The position that I made is a long position on 28 December 2022 with the price of 4,075, and I gained profit of 3,525 two days later. The most unprofitable trade that I made are April Fcpo 2023, and also March Fcpo 2023. Trade made on April is the loss amounted negative RM25. Another one is amounted 575, which is the lowest profit that I made during the trading plan.
For my most profitable and unprofitable trade, I made 3,400 ringgit on FCPO January 2023 on December 21st, 2022. The most profitable trade was a short position on FCPO February 2023 on November 17, 2022, which made about 3,150 ringgit. For FCPO February 2023 was my worst trade, losing about 6,975 ringgit. Long position on FCPO March 2023, I lost about 6,875 ringgit due to the fact that it was after the Malaysian election and the decision was still pending after a week, and the price dropped significantly and caused me a significant injury.
For the most profitable traded that I did is FCPO February 2023 that I traded on 9 December 2022 where I got a profit of 6,000. I closed this contract after 6-day hold which got me a better profit. For the most unprofitable traded that I choose is FCPO February 2023 that I traded in a short position contract on 27 December 2022 and closed it on 29 December 2022 with a profit of only 550. I hold this contract for 2 days before closing it in order to prevent more losses since the market in a bullish position.
Okay, next is the strength and weakness. Trade brought prosperity and progress. Our team has several futures trading talents. We use the appropriate trading plan to maximize profit, which is our primary strength. Thus, we employ indicators to understand futures market movement and help us choose the right price. Another of one of our strengths is that we keep up with the news and look into the futures market. Understanding the futures market is essential as CPO is our main commodity in the game. Before trading, we'll check the indicator trends and patterns as we can't make a good decision unless we know the market situation. Our team also sees our flaws during futures trading. First, we make rash and unreliable decisions. We found that it really influenced us to execute hasty trades without first analyzing the indicators and graphs.
For the conclusion for future trading games, FCPO contract which is developed to meet the needs of the commercial trader. It is a future contract that allows the buyer and the seller to sell and buy contract at a predetermined price and date. Throughout our trading in Bursa Malaysia, we found that market movements are very unpredictable even though we have used a reliable indicators to determine whether the market trend is bullish or bearish. When the market is in a bullish state, traders are advised to buy while selling when the market is in a decline or bearish. We use two mediums to find out the news, namely Starbis and the Edge. In conclusion, through this trading game, we can feel the experience of trading in a real market where we need to make a wise decision in determining whether we need to buy or sell a contract to achieve a maximum profit. In conclusion, future market contracts offer many financial opportunities for individual traders. In a trading game, we are given 100,000 as a starting capital for trading in the FCPO markets on the Malaysian Stock Exchange. And trading FCPO or contract either short position or long position for 2 months. In addition, we use fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also expert opinion to determine the daily ups and downs of the markets. As a trader, unexpected event can occur at a time because not all prediction or and projection will result in an exact future outcome. To maximize profit from future trading needs a proper plan with a strategy to do so. It is very difficult to properly decide whether to buy or sell the stock without knowledge of fundamental and technical analysis. In the next trading activity we do in future, we will be more prepared since we already know what the right strategies to use. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.
So that's all from our group. Thank you for listening.